So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be tackling the closet, the entryway closet. Now that Gabriel's trampoline box is out of there and out in the backyard, I can get in there and organize it now. That's one thing that bothers me. I'll get that organized. Uh-oh. This is going to be its own video, but I'm going to have, when I'm filming this, I'm doing other areas of my house. So, but they're each going to be their own video, if that makes sense. I hate when I do this because sometimes these intros don't work out. Anyways. So yeah, we're going to be cleaning that first. And the garage is going to be like, it's not going to get done today. There's no way in God's name it would get done today. But we're going to start. So the goal is to get it done. He has scissors. Why do you have scissors? Your face is wonderful. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Gabriel, let go. Please stop. Please stop. Please. That's dangerous. Stop. Stop. Can I please have it? Please. Gabe. You went poop, didn't you? Sorry. Nope. You don't know how scissors work. And you're literally going to cut my hand off. Sorry. No can do. Yeah, he'll probably need a nap today. Let's just jump right into cleaning this entryway closet. I got a ton of shoes. I have nowhere to put them. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but we'll figure it out. So if you want to see how my entryway closet turns out and how it ended up being organized, then stay tuned for the result at the end of the video.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Your walls 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around.
Okay, so this is basically the pile I'm keeping. Those are Gabe's stuffed animals. And then just hangers. So now we have an empty floor to work with. And I'm just gonna sweep, mop it, get it all clean on the ground.
Like strangers, scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind.
This one broke too. This other pair has poop on the bottom of it, dog poop. Well, whenever I decide to clean it, it's been since summer, so. Probably me never, but I love these sandals. This goes to this disgusting chair outside. I'm just going to keep it anyways. Or should I not? I'm not. I am, actually. go to the park. I don't want to carry the chair. I don't know. Some of those mom's things. So, for you guys who want to know like what I use for a floor cleaner, it isn't always this. I just grabbed it because I bought it a while ago when I moved in here, and I had all these hardwood floors, and it's okay, but I feel like it kind of leaves maybe a little bit of a residue. But my other bottle you see me use in my cleaning videos is with this bottle because it came in a 2-pack. But it's filled with water and Thieves Cleaner. I normally just use that one, but this is just what I grabbed. So if you're wondering what I always use, it's not this. It's just the Thieves Young Living Water Cleaner. And don't make fun of my mop. I have mops that just keep breaking, so comment down below if you have a good mop that you suggest I use, because I need suggestions on a good mop. Lastly, for the cleaning part in here, I'm just gonna go around the baseboards just because it's a little dusty. This is not, yes I know, there's no like heavy duty grease in here, but it just smells good, so don't question me. I'm gonna be using my Method heavy duty degreaser. It's in the scent lemongrass, citronelle, I don't know. It just smells so good. I just ran into my lemon off-brand from Target one, but this one smells so nice. So I'm just gonna go around the baseboards with this and get the dust off.
Glowing in the dark, I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. Stop looking at ya, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart.
Okay, I'm gonna bring this tufted white thing and put it in here because technically it's for shoe storage, but my son has just ruined the top of it, so it's just ugly. So I'm gonna put it, put some shoes in there, I guess, and throw that in the closet as well. Sometimes, you know, animals, they're just... Okay, so I'm going to put it a little bit better. It's a great stain. So I'm going to put some shoes in this wicker basket. I think that's what it's called. I hope that's what it's called. I'm going to put my sandals around here because it has like little shoe slots. I don't know if you can see that.
Glowing in the dark.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won.
Okay, so perfect. That's all the shoes I have. it's not an overload. I think we're done with the closet. Just gotta put his like stuffed animals away in another corner until I can put him in his room, and just put this lonely sandal away until I clean the poop off the other one.
I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance.
Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.